Hydraulic hose failure can occur at any time. When it does, you expect a quick, reliable repair. Hydraulink hose and fittings on-site container workshop solutions provides immediate support where you need it, when you need it, 24/7. All designed to meet your need for fast and efficient hydraulic hose repairs, including parts counter, assembly bench, stock ordering and inventory management, mobile service support or on-site solutions. By deploying a Hydraulink hose and fittings on-site container workshop to your site, you get a one-stop shop for your mixed fleet of plant and equipment. To maximise safety, our products are provided as a matched system, not as separate components. With a Hydraulink hose and fittings container workshop on your site, your equipment is back to work quickly. Head to hydraulink.com.au or call us on 1300 36 3734.